Welcome everyone, Mike with Bowers Barbecue, coming to you today from my backyard. Now a couple of months ago I did a video comparing a tomahawk ribeye to a traditional ribeye. As I said in that video, they taste the same, but the tomahawk just more fun to cook, and I still stand by that. So over the next 6 months, I think I'm going to do a series of cooking tomahawk ribeyes on all my different smokers. Today's video, we'll start off with the Recteq Bullseye. But first, we got to start the fire. All right, so for each video, I think I'm going to do a different seasoning on the tomahawk ribeye. I have the bone here covered in foil. Just a quick wrap on there. It kind of helps protect the bone, keeps it nice, shiny, and white. No burn marks when you're doing the smoking and grilling. We are going to reverse sear this since it is a big steak. Starting off with a little bit of binder here, just a little bit of olive oil, not too much on there. A little bit more. All right, really good here. Again, this is a 3-pound ribeye, so we're going to reverse sear this. We're going to do a smoke about 275. Then we'll bump it up to riot mode on the Recteq Bullseye and sear this thing. All right. This is some Derek Allan's bark builder. I do have a video where I visit Derek Allan's. Check that out in the link above. Flip this over. Now some folks wait to season after the smoke. I prefer to do it now. Haven't found to be much difference between the two. In fact, you probably see me in other videos season it after the smoke. Either way, you're gonna be good to go. All right, so we have this seasoned up pretty well on all sides here. This rub tub will allow us to get every little bit of that rub on here so we're not wasting any. If you want a rub tub like this of your own, there's a link below. All right, let's get this on the Recteq Bullseye. All right, so the Bullseye's coming to temp. I'm gonna smoke this about 225 on the setting. As you saw in my other videos, the Recteq Bullseye does cook a little bit hotter than what it's set at, so it'll probably be in reality about 275. We're gonna go ahead and insert the Bullseye thermometer. We're gonna make sure we get right there in the middle, so we measure it out beforehand. We'll stick it right on in. All right, we're gonna take this to about an internal temperature of 125 before we sear it. We'll see you then. All right, so the internal temperature is showing about 125, 130. Went over a little bit because my family girls like a little bit more done. Steak looks pretty good here. We're gonna take that out. Looks pretty solid. So we're gonna take this off, let it rest. We're gonna put this thing in riot mode. See you in a bit. All right, the grill is up to about 585 degrees, plenty hot enough to sear. I went ahead and put in the sear kit upside down. You can use cast iron, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna sear this here right here. Give it about a minute. We're gonna flip it right on over. The sear kit should give it a full crust all the way across. All right, it's been about a minute. Let's flip it on over. All right, it's been another minute. Check out that crust. Check out that crust. This inside. This thing looks absolutely amazing. Let's slice it up. All right, let's stand it up. Cut along that bone. Looks fantastic. Look at this. Look at that. Perfect medium rare. This looks awesome. Oh my goodness. This would be the perfect piece right here. That's so good. I mean, look at that. That is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I cannot get over how good this steak is. I mean, check that out. Absolutely amazing. The Recteq Bullseye really came through. Said it before, this thing is perfect for short cooks like steak. So damn good. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Check me out on Instagram. I cook a lot during the week that I don't necessarily film. So if you see more content throughout the week, be sure to go check that out. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And once again, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate each and every one of you. The fire is out.